target group is your old grandma. So, yeah.
Yes.
Begin.
What is Counter-Strike? Counter-Strike is a fun computer game where you experience war up close.
Felix.
You can choose weapons yourself and kill your terrorist enemies, cooperate and win and save the goddamn day.
Okay. Why would you want to buy or even play Counter-Strike? So, have you ever wanted to take matters into your own hands? Did you have a husband or a relative on the battlefield in World War II? Well, then Counter-Strike is the game for you. Be the hero of the day and save your country. Get your aggressions from all the cheaters in the Bridge Club out and feel relieved.
Bruh.
Make friends from all over the world and help your teammates to victory. Earn money by selling your weapons and develop great strategies, skills. Buy Counter-Strike now.